Hey guys, thank you for coming back to Charm DIY, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. I am Charmise Idris, and today we'll be making coffee scrub. So if you want to learn how to make coffee scrub, please stay tuned, and also check out the link below because I will have all the specific measurements. For this recipe, you'll need 1/4 of a cup of sugar. I use brown sugar. You also need 1/4 of a cup of coffee grounds, 1 tablespoon of sea salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. So first you'll combine the coffee and the sugar. Make sure there's no lumps in the sugar. You can mix that up. Then you can add the sea salt. I actually like to use dead sea salt. And then you can add the 2 oils, the olive oil and the coconut oil. The reason I really like to use this recipe is because it reduces the appearance of cellulite, and then it also reduces inflammation, and then of course it adds a youthful glow to your skin because the coffee and the sugar both remove dead skin cells. In order to use this scrub, I typically just get in the shower, wet my skin, and then I grab some of the scrub and massage it into my skin in a circular motion. I do it about 2 to 3 times a week, and it's really been helping. And then from here, all you have to do is package it. I like to use these bags because it's easier for me to reach my hand into them, and then they're also waterproof. And if you store this coffee scrub in a dry, cool place, it can last up to 6 months. Now, if it's in water, if water gets into the container, that will greatly decrease the shelf life because it promotes bacteria growth.